In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Slides speaker notes not showing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Slides and then find that presentation that your speaker note isn't showing. So I've just got this recent presentation here. So I want to select it. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead click out of that. Want to go in and click onto tools, and then we got the option to dictate speaker notes, and then as you can see here, we can go ahead and see Google Slide speaker notes are now showing, and you can click to speak. Now also what we can do if things are still not working, if you got any extensions running in the background, so if you got heaps of extensions, I reckon if you just go ahead and disable all these and then come back here and start enabling these one by one to see which extension might be messing up your Google Slides speaker notes.